right, hey everybody. It is December 18th and I'm here in the southern tier of New York where 2 nights ago we got a pretty monumental blizzard. We were forecast to get, I think, somewhere around 12 to 16, 18 inches and woke up yesterday morning with about 40 inches of snow. So pretty incredible amount of snow. We ended up spending most of the day yesterday snow blowing, digging out. They didn't even plow our road until a couple hours ago, so we've been pretty much trapped. Anyway, kind of put a damper on my hunting prospects. I'm gonna go out today just to get some exercise and maybe some cool footage. I got a drone a couple weeks ago that I've been playing with, so I'll get some drone footage together for the video. And I got my muzzleloader. Still got a buck tag. I haven't tagged a buck during the rifle, so that translates over to the muzzleloader. So I still got my buck tag, and I still have a doe permit for this area as well. Gonna head out for a little hike with the snowshoes and see if I can't get my eyes on a deer. It'd be a pretty cool way to end the season, but give it a try. Which way they're going here. Looks like this way. I think what I'm gonna do is go down here. The wind right here is at my back a little bit. Yeah, the wind's going this way. So I'm gonna see if I can't. There's some pines down here, so this deer certainly could have went down into those pines. Or I can go down, loop up, and cut back through here on my way back. All right, well, I am back. Didn't end up seeing any deer, did see some tracks. Got some really good exercise and enjoyed myself. It was a very nice day up there. I will certainly not forget hunting the muzzleloader 2020 December blizzard. It'll definitely go down the history books, and I don't think I'll forget it. bye.